The last remaining train on the narrow gauge Port Lincoln division has seen many changes over the years, with the clickety-clack of joined rails and classic noise of yesteryear's locomotives no longer. However, on this occasion, one of the newcomers of the railway needed maintenance, and the old faithfuls of the line returned to action, taking up the slack and helping out. As seen here with the first loaded service of the day, 3DD2, working east towards Thevenard, up the steepest grade on the line between Charra and Mull. The lash up on today's train sees 2364 working with two 1600s of 1606 and 1601, which have both seen better days but continue to hold this train strong, as they have for many decades, with the train now seen passing Mull siding, which now consists of just a dead end. Denial Bay is home to one of the largest oyster farms on the Eyre Peninsula, with the township, jetty and bay all seen in the backdrop as the train powers along the plains north of the town. Moving away from our usual Eyre highway crossing shot, we take to Goody Road on the outskirts of Ceduna for a shot near the satellite dishes. Arriving into Thevenard, South Australia's second busiest port, the train is set to unload its 69 wagons before undertaking another trip out to Kevin for loading. Today, Thevenard is the primary maintenance facility after the closure of most of the Port Lincoln division in 2019, with the other newcomer engine 2332 seen outside the depot along with several wagons undergoing maintenance. The two 2300s arrived from Queensland in April 2023, and we have a video from when they first arrived and started operating, which will be on screen now and linked in the description below. The two 1600s are all that is left of the original Air Peninsula fleet in operation, with the South Australian Railways 830s in their modified and original forms, along with the two 1200s which were previously A-classes from the Western Australian Government Railways, now just sitting idle. Outside of town, near the Northern Air Highway crossing, the train is seen powering along, with a wrecked Saab in the background arriving at Ceduna Airport. Due to the nature of the balloon loop at the port and the triangle at Kevin, the same locomotive leads in both directions. A final shot of the service is seen not far from Denial Bay, with the empty service climbing upgrade and away from the coast towards Maule.